like a cat and also a dog. But it's what little Diego yelled out to a UPS man that prompted police to respond. That's right, the parrot yelled, "Help me." The concerned UPS driver had stopped by the home outside Portland, Oregon, and heard what he thought was a cry for help. He texted his wife to call 911.
Hi, my husband is a delivery driver. He just called me saying that one of the doors he just knocked on, there was somebody saying help me on the inside.
I'll get someone to swing by and take a look at him.
Did you have a hard day today?
The parrot is owned by Susan Baird, who says she's not surprised that her beloved pet yelled for help while she was gone.
When he's alone, often he will yell out, "Help me," because he doesn't like to be alone.
She says the 41-year-old bird craves human companionship and loves being cuddled like a baby.
Very affectionate. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Susan says she's not upset her chatterbox cried wolf. Because like most of us, she says Diego just wants some attention.
He's very people-oriented. He likes to have me around.
When we come back, cool moves at the
Wow, man, yeah, poor parrot twin. Wow, that's great. Do you guys see how twin or parrot was? Help me. Well, this is George Russell added on the Tuesday, December 26, 2017.
Made Gillette the #1 shave in America. Now get Gillette quality and